Art Tips for Beginners. Today we will be drawing a cat using the number 5. Start by writing the number 5. Next, make 3 more number 5s. You should have a total of 4 number 5s. Now connect the bottom of one number 5 to the top of the number 5 next to it. Repeat this 2 more times. Your drawing should look like mine on the screen. Next, draw a rounded line like mine. Then, draw a circle for the cat's head. Now we will draw a large triangle with a smaller triangle inside the larger triangle. We will repeat this so our cat can have 2 ears on top of its head. Next, we will make the letter J. Directly next to it, we will make a backwards J. Now, we will make an upside down triangle for the cat's nose, followed by 2 dots for eyes. Finally, we will give our cat a tail. If we use our imagination, our cat can be animated and walk. C-A-T, cat. Cat. Thank you for drawing a cat with me using the number 5. See you next time.